So today we're in my cabinet shop, and when we do kitchen remodels and we move plumbing and stuff like that, there's times where I don't got time to go to the hardware store to get pipes or the dimensions that I want. So I got this pipe threader that it comes with anywhere from 1/2 inch all the way to 2 inch, and it comes with all your adapters, instructions. It even comes with a container for the oil lubricant. It comes with some extra brushes, and make sure the only thing it doesn't come with is oil. And we're gonna demo this for you guys so you guys can see how it's used. So one of the things that it is a little bit heavy because it's big. It's for up to 2 inch. And the only good thing is that it comes with its own case, that way you can carry it. So one thing, this is for 120 power, and it's a short extension, so make sure you carry a long extension if you gotta do it far away to use your machine. Yeah, oil, leche.
Oh, does it need oil?
Sí.
Pero. One important thing that we didn't mention, that this is the adapter for the smaller ones, all right? Because the larger ones, you don't really need them, if you guys can see that. So the smaller ones, you are going to need the adapter. See that? It's like a puzzle piece. This thing goes in there and it automatically locks in here, all right? So that's a very important piece that you have to remove it. And to remove it, it's a little tough sometimes, all right? We got to grease it up, oil it up, maybe hammer it up too. There you go. And there's the adapters, all right? So this is the main part, and these are replaceable, so don't worry about breaking them. They're replaceable. The adapter goes into the system, and there's two ways of actually doing it. There's a faster way and a reverse, all right? Forward and reverse blade, all right? So once you have it in there and if it gets stuck, go reverse and it'll bring it back out. You guys can see we had a little problem at the beginning, but we had to get used to it. Always practice before you're using it, but it came out, it needs a lot of oil, especially. Now, one thing that we found out that you got to make sure that this part is tightened up as strong as you can so the pipe won't move, right? And this is to be done here. Now, we did it on the table, but recommendation is to be done on the floor so you can even put your foot down it and extra weight on it. Now, once it locks in place in here, be careful that this thing starts moving. You have to adjust it where it locks in. Now, depending on your pipe size, if you guys notice, we do have different sizes in here. So always test your pipe first prior to using it. And they do give you the oil piping system here that you have to increase the oil, but everything, the kit's in here, extra, they give you extra brushes because if you do burn it out, they got you covered. You got two of them. You are going to spill some oil. Make sure you're doing a properly area that it's going to nice oil out, a tray. But look at this. So practice, and then you're going to get your pipes nice and threaded. So very simple. I hope you guys enjoy the video.